While most AI platforms lack meaningful explainability, operating as black boxes that leave you guessing, Zenera is different. We deliver application-level reasoning graphs, ensuring that for critical sectors like healthcare and security, every decision is auditable and grounded in fact. We start by ingesting Titanic passenger data to perform advanced analytics. Zenera instantly generates exploratory views, but the real differentiator is how it handles complex, reasoning-heavy tasks with complete transparency. Moving beyond generic questions, we ask the AI to find anomalies, specifically looking for high fares, inconsistent family sizes, and age outliers. Zenera executes the analysis instantly, but in regulated industries, an answer isn't enough. You need proof. Zenera generates downloadable artifacts for every intermediate step. You can review specific flagged records. Humans can download these intermediate files for verification, ensuring every insight is backed by actual data, not a statistical guess. Now we demand transparency. We ask Zenera to explain the exact reasoning and execution behind finding these anomalies. This is the application-level reasoning graph. Zenera visualizes every single decision, generating a comprehensive flowchart that maps data lineage from the raw source through specific algorithms. We trace the exact path, distinct feature engineering steps leading into specific anomaly logic gates. It explains the fine-grained details at a conceptual level, showing exactly how high fare or improbable age was defined. Transparency goes even deeper. Zenera reveals the low-level details of the actual formulas used. Here, you see the exact Python snippets used to extract titles and calculate family groups. Every rule is visible, from IQR rules for fares to statistical contingency tests. Nothing is hidden. This proves Zenera is 100% transparent and explainable. By delivering clear, auditable decisions, we provide the safety and compliance required for healthcare, security, and the enterprise.